I had this idea for a chair, a two-legged chair. And the picture in my head certainly looks like it would work, but there's really no way of telling until I actually built a prototype of it. So this is my idea for a minimal amount of material that would, okay, if it doesn't function as a chair, if you can't sit on this thing and it falls down, then it's a sculpture, basically. Again, the only way I can tell whether this is going to function the way it did in my head as an image is to build it out of something and see if that'll work. At the same time, I think visually, from a design standpoint, it has a particularly unique quality. And, if all else fails, it'll be cool to look at. So let's see what happens.